Hey, my name is Gabby. I'm here to show you how to use your new rotary telephone from AT&T. With a crank telephone, you had to speak to an operator every time you wanted to make a call. Now you don't have to. With every subscriber being assigned a 5-digit number, you can call them directly. To call, it's simple. Pick up the receiver and you'll first hear a steady hum. After you hear the hum, put your finger in the corresponding number and turn clockwise until you reach the stop and let go, and it will return to its original place. To dial letters, match the corresponding number to the letter displayed on your rotary phone. For example, OR5038 is 675038. Just follow along the illustration. Now that you've dialed the number, you'll hear a ringtone, like this. Brrr, brrr, brrr. To call the operator, it's easy. Put your finger in the number 0 and turn clockwise until you reach the stop. To receive a call, you will hear a bell ringing to alert you that a call is coming through. Simply pick up the receiver to greet the caller.